this has been a very fantastic and a very energetic visit. Like CM came, Honorable Dr. Mohan Yadav Saab came yesterday afternoon. Right from he reached the hotel, and we went to a place called Submer. It's a datamatic center, and they are looking at data solutions. And within 30 minutes, and he was interested to sign an MOU. And we, of course, we quickly have this thing checked, and today they signed an MOU. The energy level, and today there were also discussions with FERA Barcelona, which is the largest event holder in the entire Europe, because they are the equivalent of Bharat Mandapam multiple times. They have a space of 300,000 square meter worth of meeting space, the largest in Europe and second. And Madhya Pradesh is now looking at collaborating with FERA Barcelona. Now, the energy level of this team is in a different level, and I am happy on behalf of Videsh Mantralaya and the Consulate General of India to assist them, because our consulate is now going to go full hammer and tongs to follow up on this visit, because today there were also meetings at more than 12 one-to-one meetings. Major big companies like Roca, and I'm giving an example, and there are so many other companies in their line. They had one-to-one meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister. We are looking at follow-up with the deliverables, because as you are aware, Catalonia is the powerhouse of entire Spain. 40% of the GDP of Spain comes from here. And it is good that Madhya Pradesh is focusing here, because this is where we are going to do the business. And I think this will be a good launch pad, and they have connected with the right sectors. Today morning they went to Mercabarna, which is a place where they do an in-house shop. It's a modern version of Mandi, but it has a full house facilities. And they saw the cold storage facilities in all the important locations. You would have seen that in India, fresh fruits and all the produce karte hain. There's a lot of wastage there. So cold storage and the supply chain linkages and their country, that is one area the Chief Minister took an interest. I am very sure this is going to be translated into action. It is going to help us, because Spain has provided a lot many good technologies, smart cities and all. And I say in conclusion, this is already a successful visit. But as they say, the proof is in the pudding. We will now look forward to implementing those deliverables. And you saw the energy level with diaspora. I think I will leave that for the audience how to feel it. So we say, and we are looking at more delegations coming ahead. The Consulate General also will be shortly moving into an independent building, and this will into a dedicated building. So we are looking forward to a formal inauguration, and this is how we look at the visit. And as you see, the voices coming here, the diaspora is energized, and we are looking forward to the best days in India, Spain and India-Catalonia relations.